Hi, I'm Bob Higgins, Product Development Manager at SeedHawk in the Research and Development Department.
And my name is Chris Morson. I'm Territory Sales Manager for SeedHawk. I look after Manitoba and Saskatchewan. We're pretty excited to debut our new cart line. We came out with a line of 4 new carts this year. The big one in the line is a 980 bushel, and we have an 800, 660 bushel, and then the 500 completes off the line. Several advancements to the cart line that we'd like to go through with you today. We're pretty excited about all of them.
Over the past 4 years, we've been in development of this new product. We've been listening to growers. Some of the new features include a fourth bin, a small bin for canola, grass seed, inoculants. We've used load cells on individual compartments. You get a weight reading for each compartment. New tires, big flotation for the large carts. New improved fuel systems.
Whole new metering system, which we'll run through in a minute, and we actually run it off a new monitoring system too, which all of these have quite a few major advancements in them. One of the major changes is definitely most recognizable changes is the load cells. To get to the ability to use load cells on the cart, we had to compartmentalize each of the bins with the cart. The 500 here has 3 compartments, the bigger ones have 4. Once we compartmentalize those, we could put 3 individual load cells on each of the bins on the cart. That allows us to get an accurate weight of the tank at all times, both when stopped and when moving through the field, giving us the ability to really narrow in on your weight left in your compartment, and definitely we can zoom in a lot better on your calibration procedure and really get tight with our weights of product coming through the system. On the 500 we have 30.5 tires. On the bigger carts, they're a caddy style cart now, so there's tires front and back. On the back we have 1250 metric tires and an upgradable option to dual 800
Metrics.
Yeah. Providing much better flotation in the fields.
So in conjunction with the new cart line is the new meter. Again, a modular design. We have up to 8 sections feeding 10-foot sections on the implement. Individual drive electric motors per section. We have 3 different roller types: high rate, medium rate, and low displacement rollers. Very easily interchangeable. Pop them on for clean out. Very easy. Clicks right into place. It's all plastic housings make up the bulk of the meter bodies. We have a new Airstream selector diverter. It's bottom half of the meter. Simply take it off, rotate it 180 degrees, and you can change the airstream you're putting product into.
Going to an electric motor on these systems, it gives us a much greater level of control over our sections. We were using hydraulics before. As hydraulics surge, it was really difficult to really zero in on your rates and exactly what was going on back there. With an electric motor, it's very simple. When we want to shut down a section, we just shut down the motor. Instant stop, zero blow by, zero product coming through. So if these 7 sections were seeding and this one wasn't, the second that guy is stopped, all it takes is blowing out the lines and no more product flow through. So massive improvement.
With the new meter design, we are now controlling it differently. The new Icon control system uses an iPad interface. It's a display. We have gateways and PM4s, which are controlling different functions on the cart, on the meter, and on the toolbar.
With the wireless control, it gives us the ability to really control a lot of the functions from the proper place around the drill. With the wireless control with the iPad, for instance, doing the look-aheads or setting the look-aheads for your system. Look-aheads are how long it takes the air pack to fill with product and get product to the opener, and how long it takes that product to clean out. So with the iPad, we could be standing at the back of the drill wirelessly controlling that. So we would hit a button to start the product coming through the meter. As soon as you see product show up at your feet at the bottom of the opener, you let go of the button. That's taught the iPad how long it takes product to get from the meter to the ground. When you let go of that, that stops this roller from turning, shutting the product off. As soon as you see the product stop getting to you, you let go of the other button. Now you've perfectly taught the system how long it takes the air pack to fill and to empty out. So it's a lot of functions. That's one of many, but we've really improved on the way sectional control runs, the efficiency of it, and how easy it is to set.
So the display for the new Icon control system displayed on the iPad. So we use all of the great features of the iPad product. Touchscreen switch box, selecting features, displaying your acres to empty, which is how many acres you have left in your tank, which is using the information from your load cells. Field boundary creation, obstacle creation, really increases the performance of section control. Many other features included on the system. Calibrate your look-aheads, do a static calibration. Your blockage display is integrated into the system using wireless blockage monitors. We have message systems settings easily changeable.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.